IMDb 123 movies, 123 movies replacement. 123 movies is not an official platform listed on IMDb. Instead, it is an infamous online streaming website known for hosting movies and TV shows, often without proper licensing or authorization. The site has been taken down and rebranded multiple times due to legal actions. IMDb, Internet Movie Database, on the other hand, is a legitimate and widely respected platform that provides detailed information about movies, TV shows, actors, directors, and other entertainment-related content. It's a resource for ratings, reviews, cast lists, trivia, and more. If you're looking for information about movies that might have been available on 123 movies, IMDb is a great legal alternative to explore movies and shows and decide what to watch. For streaming, consider platforms like Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, or Disney+. And, if you're looking for top-rated movies listed on IMDb, here's a selection of highly rated films from IMDb's official database, based on user ratings. IMDb top-rated movies. 1. The Shawshank Redemption, 1994, 9.3. 2. The Godfather, 1972, 9.2. 3. The Dark Knight, 2008, 9.0. 4. The Godfather Part 2, 1974, 9.0. 5. 12 Angry Men, 1957, 8.9. 6. Schindler's List, 1993, 8.9. 7. The Lord of the Rings, The Return of the King, 2003, 8.9. 8. Pulp Fiction, 1994, 8.9. 9. The Good, the Bad, and the Ugly, 1966, 8.8. 10. Forrest Gump, 1994, 8.8. If you're searching for these movies on streaming platforms, consider legal and reputable services such as Netflix, Amazon Prime, or Hulu. You can also check their availability on IMDb's Where to Watch feature.